Hello everyone, there is a big update from IBM. IBM is hiring 2022 pass out batch. Qualifications would be BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc, and almost all branches are eligible. Salary will be 4.2 LPA. Job location will be Mumbai, Pune, Delhi NCR, Gurgaon, Noida, Hyderabad, Chennai, Kolkata, Bangalore, Ahmedabad. Now, how to apply? There are two steps. So, there are in the first steps, when you'll click on the first step, then you will find this page. Here you can see all the details, like job role is associate systems engineer. Here you can read everything. Now what you need to do, and before that you should have at least 6 CGP or 60%. Okay, so this is the eligibility criteria. Now how to apply? Just click here, apply now. Okay, after that this page will be reloaded. Here you have to click here, no thanks, continue to apply. Okay, click here. When you click here, then this page will be reloaded. Here again you can see job ID. Okay, this is the job ID. So after that you need to click here, apply. Okay, apply to jobs. When you click here, then this page will be reloaded. Here they are asking your email ID and password. So if you already have your email ID and password, then click here, enter your email ID and password, and then click on the sign in. Then you will find next page. Then you have to fill that form. After that you have to click submit. Okay, so when you click on the submit button, then you will receive an email, and in your email they will send you a reference number. Okay, I am again repeating, after submitting this form you will receive an email. In that email they will mention your reference number. Okay, that reference number is very important, and we will use that reference number in step 2. So if you don't have any account yet, then you need to click here, don't have an account yet, click here. Then what you need to do, just here you need to create an account. Okay, so you need to agree. Okay, you must agree. So scroll down. After that what you need to do, just click here. Okay, scroll down and click here, agree. Okay, after that you need to create your email ID and password. Okay, after creating then you need to sign in, then click submit button. Okay, so when you will have your reference ID, then you need to click on the step 2. So when you click on the step 2, which you will find link in the description box, then you will find this page. Okay, this is the page, this is the process for step 2, and this is the final step. So here what you need to do, you just need to click here register. Okay, when you click here register, then you need to enter your full name, first name, last name, email ID. Here one important thing, you know IBM job ID. Okay, I already told you what is IBM job ID. Now here this is important thing, IBM candidate reference number. How you will find this candidate reference number? You will receive an email ID. Okay, so from there you will receive your email ID, your reference number. Okay, after that fill all the details, and then click on this checkbox. Okay, and then click on this checkbox, then click on the submit button. Okay, so while filling the form, if you face any difficulties, please feel free to ask in comment box, and you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide link in the description box. Okay, so these are the 2 steps to apply. So apply as soon as possible. Okay, and if you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.